If you hate heavy products, this one is for you. It's the new Johnny's Chop Shop Lightweight Gel Easy Styler. Now this is perfect for those days when you don't want to put loads of effort into styling it, but you don't want it to be fluffy and frizzy, like you can see how it is a little bit now on my hair. All you want to do is just squirt a little bit into the hands. You want to apply it to hair which is damp, freshly out of the shower. Work it through, make sure you cover all of the hair. It's got a little bit of hold, doesn't get crunchy, doesn't weigh the hair down. So if you've got hair which is a little bit on the finer side, a little bit on the thinner side, just helps to build a little bit of body and get rid of that freshly washed feeling. So I think I need to add a little bit more to that. It feels like it hasn't quite gone all the way through to the back. Just gonna apply a little bit more. As always with products, using a little bit less than you need at the start, and then you can add later into it. Feeling where the product is, feels now quite evenly distributed. And now we're just gonna then scrunch it. I want the hair to bend this way, so I'm gonna bend it there, and then the same on this other side. So I'm gonna bend it and just put it into place here. That front area, you can get that nice fullness. And then as it naturally dries into the hair, I can then move it around a little bit more and just build a little bit more of that texture. Place it into position and we'll come back in a couple of minutes as it's got drier. Okay, you can see now 15 minutes later, it's allowed all that natural wave, the natural texture to come out. It gives a very natural finish. If you think of, say, Salt Spray gives a little bit more of a matte effect, whereas this, it gives it a little bit more of a natural looking effect. Both great options. This is nice and easy. Definitely worth checking out if you want an easy, stress-free way to style your hair.